I'm Marc Duiker. I'm a developer advocate at Diagrid. And Diagrid is a company founded by the co-creators of Dapr open source. It's Mark Vosler and Jorn Schneider. And well, Dapr is all about building distributed applications in a very efficient way. And Diagrid is offering some commercial tooling in the Dapr ecosystem. So Diagrid is a startup. We're 25 people now, and like I mentioned, we do some commercial tools on top of Dapr. So one tool is called Conductor, and that's basically if you want to like an easy operation of Dapr applications which run on Kubernetes. So we offer like a dashboard where you can see all kinds of applications, how they are connected, how they are running, and we offer all kinds of advisories to help you run Dapr very smoothly. Yeah, so the Dapr community is actually pretty big. So we have a Dapr Discord where there are 8,000 users, so that's a lot. Not all 8,000 are online all at the same time, of course, but yeah, there's a pretty big community. There's also lots of people writing about Dapr and creating content, creating videos, so that's great. But often it's still quite difficult to determine who's actually using Dapr and who are interested, because that's one of the challenges about open source. You know, I mean, it's just available to download for everyone. Yeah, so as a developer advocate, so I create a lot of content for people to learn Dapr more. So I create a lot of blogs, I create videos, I create demos, and one of the things that I'm creating now is creating learning tracks that's based on Instruqt, because that's really helping us to identify who is actually using Dapr, because that's something I cannot get from out of the open source downloads. Yeah, so what we have now is we have a Dapr 101 track on Instruqt. So when people go to our website, they can just click a link and then they enter the Instruqt environment. So there's an online virtual machine that's running Dapr. So people don't have to install anything. They can quickly start using Dapr, running everything without installing anything locally. So it's really easy for them to get started. Yeah, so we do capture contact details, because that's of course what we want to know. We capture their name and the email address, and that's all synced in HubSpot. So that really helps us to understand our audience, and so we're able to also provide them with more and detailed learning materials afterwards. It wasn't actually difficult at all to sell this internally, because it's very obvious what kind of value Instruqt brings. It's very easy to create content, and it's also very easy to see what we get back, right? So we've run this learning track now for almost 2 months, and we already have hundreds of new contacts, which otherwise it would have been very difficult for us to get these contacts. So it's very easy win for us. In general, developers really like hands-on learning, right? So it means some of course like to read, some like to watch a video, but in general really developers like to use tools, and they like to command line arguments, to run command line tools, and just to use IDEs. And Instruqt is offering all of these tools, so it's a really great way without installing anything locally. So it's a really low barrier of entry for developers to learn about Dapr.